Hey everyone, Biboy here, and well, it's official. We now finally have our first Insta360 concept store here in the Philippines, and what's even more surprising is that this is the first concept store in Southeast Asia. So, in partnership with Henry's Camera, one of the top leading camera gear stores locally, you can now experience the latest flagship products they've just released. Like we have here the recent Insta360 Go 3. We also have the Insta360 Flow gimbal smartphone stabilizer with AI, the Insta X3, 1RS, and all their creator packages and accessories. And what made me excited is this, the all-new Insta360 Ace Pro. Yep, this was just announced a couple of days ago, and it's now available in the coming days for purchase. And you can even try the demo unit before you can even decide before buying it. That's the best thing in the concept store. Now, the first Insta360 concept store is actually located just in Makati at 1 Ayala, which is located in the 4th floor. Okay, so I got a chance to have a quick hands-on with the Insta360 Ace Pro. So both of the Ace series will be available, even the base model. But to give you a quick info, the difference between the two is quite similar, but the Pro has most of the advanced features, like it comes with a higher sensor and it can shoot in 4K 120 FPS slow-mo. Plus, the Pro has a 1 1/3 inch sensor, while the base model has only half-inch sensor. So the Pro also uses a Leica Super Summarit lens, which improves the details and color in low-light situations and can capture everything from highlights to shadow with active HDR. They also integrated a new AI 5nm chip, which improves the low light with the help of a new feature called Pure Video. Basically, it somewhat bumps the ISO in low light, but with the help of the AI chip, it removes the noise and grains, which makes the night footages better. Plus, one unique favorite feature I like is the new flip display. Similar to the recent Go 3, so they brought it now to the action cameras. So framing your shots if you want to vlog or create a selfie video is much faster and easier with this new display implementation. Just by pressing the two knob or button, you can now flip the display, and if you want to see yourself framing, and you will have a better idea if you're correctly framed. And even the horizon lock is still present here. If you are always on the go, it now has a rapid charging and an improved battery life. You can now also pause and resume a video, which makes it really convenient if you're shooting intermittently. And speaking of shooting, it also now comes with a magnetic lock underneath for easy removal from your mounts, which is really convenient as well. I hope they make this a standard in all of their future models. They first introduced this in their Insta360 as well, the Go 3. Also, for some additional software features, you can now also control the camera by just doing a hand gesture. And if you shot your video in a feature called Free Frame, it allows you to choose different video ratios. So if you're posting in social media, it's really helpful because you can adjust it in the software. You can even have a preview of your shot in real time with the GPS preview remote that can integrate even the data from your Garmin or Apple Watch and lets you add it in post-production, the speed, location, and other more. When it comes to the app, they've also added a new feature that lets you download video in the background, which previously was not present. And the new AI generative tool that lets you add a prompt, and it will generate this nice animation and effects with even lots of pre-built templates. We're really excited to check this out once we have it at our Yugatech HQ, and we'll dive more into details once we have it. Now, for the price, the base model Insta360 Ace is priced at $21,990 and $26,990 for the Ace Pro. So head over here at the 4th floor of 1 Ayala in Makati near Greenbelt 4 and try it for yourself. So once again, I'm B-Boy. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.